If I don't make it back, I want him to know I tried. My name's Daryl Dixon. I come from a place called the Commonwealth. It's in America.
How did you come to be in France?
Bunch of bad decisions. How'd you end up here?
A bunch of good decisions. We've been waiting for you. I'm Laurent. You're the messenger to deliver Laurent.
L'Américain, trouvez-le, tuez-le.
Je retrouverai. Je chercherai rien.
I know you can get him there safely. He's ready
Ready for what?
to lead the revival of humanity.
Things happen. Things are changing, you know.
Maybe we're the same that way. Broken until the world ended.
Take it. If I don't make it back, I want him to know I tried. Hell, I'm still trying.